5 most overpriced compact SUVs. 5 worth every penny. The appeal for new compact SUVs has grown in leaps and bounds owing to their practicality as ideal transport for small families. It is not surprising then, that there are quite a good number of compact SUVs currently on the market. However, some of them wear a price tag beyond what is justifiable by their features and specifications. Some that are offered at lower prices, however, veil other forms of charges like high insurance, cost of gas, and high cost of maintenance and repairs. On the flip side, there are compact SUVs that offer excellent value for money by providing ample storage capacity, comfortable interior, stellar performance, good gas mileage, well-balanced warranty, and high-tech driver assist features. Let's check out the list of the 5 most overpriced compact SUVs and compare them with 5 others that more than justify their price tags. Overpriced. 2021 Jeep Compass. The second-generation Jeep Compass shares the same FCA small wide 4x4 platform with the Jeep Renegade and is available in several trims. Pricing for the 2021 model starts at $25,990, and it is powered by a lethargic 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. Materials used in the cabin are mostly of inferior quality, and the cargo space it offers is way below the average for the segment. When you throw in the absence of standard driver assist, safety features, the result is an SUV that doesn't give much value for its price. 9. Overpriced. 2021 Jeep Renegade. Production of the 5-seater Jeep Renegade started in August 2014 after being unveiled to the public earlier in the year. Riding on the FCA small wide 4x4 platform, the 2021 Renegade is powered either by a base 2.4-liter or an optional 1.3-liter turbocharged engine. Quite unfortunately, the 2021 Renegade won't set pulses racing since both engines feel underpowered and pair with a slow-shifting, sometimes erratic, 9-speed automatic transmission. Despite its small size, it is disappointingly fuel inefficient, and when driven at higher speeds, there is distinct wind and road noise. 8. Overpriced. 2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Still in its first generation, the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross has been in production since 2017 after it was unveiled at the 2017 Geneva Motor Show. For the 2022 model year, the Eclipse Cross is powered by a 1.5-liter i4 turbocharged engine delivering 152 horsepower through a continuously variable transmission. A bold exterior design is marred by an interior that looks dated and sports an old-fashioned infotainment interface and less than average cargo space. The 2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross doesn't just measure up to the more refined competition except for great warranty coverage. 7. Overpriced. 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. The third generation of the Chevrolet Equinox was unveiled in September 2016 as a 2018 model and rides on the GMD2XX platform. Power for the 2021 Equinox is supplied either by a weak 1.5-liter engine or a 2-liter engine, and ride quality is harsh when larger rims are used. 2021 Chevrolet Equinox via Premier Chevrolet of Buena Park. Although the starting price tag of $24,995 is a bit attractive, the base trim comes with a sluggish engine and an absence of creature comforts. With pricey higher trims, you'll get more value from the likes of Honda CR-V and Mazda CX-5. 6. Overpriced. 2022 GMC Terrain. Currently in its second generation, which was first shown at the North American International Auto Show in 2017, the 2022 GMC Terrain rides on the GMD2XX platform. Performance from the 170 horsepower 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission is unimpressive, and the driving experience is underwhelming. Inside the bland cabin, the 2022 Terrain sports awkwardly placed controls and shifter buttons that are difficult to locate at a glance. The base price of $29,095 can quickly get out of hand when optional features are added, features that are standard on lesser-priced rivals. 5. Worth every penny. 2022 Hyundai Tucson. The all-new Hyundai Tucson, launched in November 2020, is available in several trims and powertrains to ensure that everyone has something. With a price tag of $26,135, the 2022 Hyundai impresses with the long list of high-tech driver assist and safety features it brings to the table. In addition to that, it also has outstanding storage capacity and a long and well-balanced warranty package. With its well-equipped cabin, composed and quiet ride, the 2022 Hyundai Tucson is possibly the best midsize SUV currently in the market. 4. Worth every penny. Honda CR-V. The 2021 model is a 5-seater 5th-generation Honda CR-V that delivers excellent performance on just about every front. Both powertrains used in the 2021 CR-V lineup boast some of the best fuel economy ratings in the segment. Inside the plush CR-V, there is a blend of quality materials, comfortable seats, ample passenger space, and class-leading storage space. For prevention of collision and protection in case of one, it offers a wide array of standard safety features. Considering the family-friendly features it comes with, the 2021 CR-V is worth its starting price of $26,575. 3. Worth every penny. 2021 Mazda CX-5. For a $26,545 compact SUV, the 2021 Mazda CX-5 delivers stellar performance and offers high-tech features with which it outshines the competition. Under the hood and pairing with a quick-changing 6-speed automatic transmission as either a 187 horsepower or a 250 horsepower turbocharged engine. Also on offer is a responsive throttle, sharp steering, excellent fuel economy, and a ride quality that even more expensive SUVs would envy. When the extensive list of driver assist and safety features is added, it is easy to forgive the smaller cargo area it comes with. 2. Worth every penny. 2021 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is currently in its 5th generation and is built on the Subaru Global Platform, giving it more strength and rigidity. For 2021, the Forester is available in 5 trims, all powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 182 horsepower. It delivers excellent visibility, stable handling, accurate steering, strong brakes, and a surprisingly high fuel economy rating that beats some two-wheel drive rivals. Although it won't win races, it offers standard all-wheel drive at an affordable $25,845 and adequate ground clearance for light off-roading. 1. Worth every penny. 2021 Toyota RAV4. For the 2021 model year, the RAV4, presented in so many flavors, including hybrid and plugged-in hybrid, has something for every taste. Motivation is supplied by a 203 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that takes the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8 seconds and delivers excellent fuel economy. The roomy cabin, done in high-quality materials, has comfortable seats, a superb infotainment system, and ample cargo space. With a base price of $27,565, the 2021 RAV4 is a versatile family hauler that gets the work done in comfort and safety.